ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 162. The topic is Virat in this janma. In the prathama kshana he had bhaya. In dvitiya kshana he had jnanam. That jnanam was either aham brahma abhinna, I am Brahma, or I am Virat, other than me there is nothing. In both cases, other than me there is nothing. Therefore, there is no bhaya karanam. There is nothing to be afraid. Then the question was, how did he? So first scenario we are taking now, Brahmatma Ikya Jnana. How did Prajapati get Brahmatma Ikya Jnanam? How did this Virat or Hiranyagarbha get Brahmatma Ikya Jnanam? Because there is no Shastra, he did not take sannyasa, he did not have Shamadhi, Shat Sampatti, and there is no Acharya, etc. And if you say knowledge can take place without any of this, then we can also get the knowledge without any of these things. Means moksha prapti does not require any of this sadhana. And somebody says, no, antya jnanam is ajnana nivartakam because it has antyatvam. This is the point we were seeing in the Tika, 5th line from top. So jnanasya nivartakatve na antyatvam hetuhu. यजमानांतरस्य अन्त्य ज्ञाने तद्ध्वंसित्व अदृष्टेः अन्त्यत्वस्य अज्ञान ध्वंसित्वेन अनियमात्. यजमानांतरस्य, यजमानांतर means another person who is yajamana. For that person, yajmanantarasya antya jnane, the last jnanam he had before dropping the body, that antya jnane, tadhvansitva, ajnana dhvansitva adrishte, it did not destroy ajnana. Means the last jnanam will destroy ajnanam. This condition is not correct because in other cases it did not happen. Antyattvasya ajnana dhvansitvena aniyama. That antyatva is ajnana dhvansi. There is no niyama. Nacha yajmanantare prajapatau cha antyam jnanam jnanatvat ajnana dhvansi पूर्व ज्ञानेषु बंध हेतु अज्ञान ध्वंसित्व अदृष्टे है ज्ञानत्व हेतु हो अनैकान्त्यात्. यजमानांतरे प्रजापतौ च, इन अदर sadhakas who are yajmana striving for becoming prajapati, or this yajmana who became prajapati, in both of their cases antyam jnanam ajnana dhvansi na. Or if you say antyam jnanam ajnana dhvansi jnanatvat, if this kind of anumanyam you do in their case, पूर्व ज्ञानेषु बंध हेतु अज्ञान ध्वंसित्व अदृष्टे. This is not true. Nacha will go just before that purva jnanesh. Why? Because see, in this way, jnanams are there. Jnanam came, could not destroy ajnanam. Second jnanam came, could not destroy ajnanam. Third could not destroy. This is antya jnanam. Antya jnanam will destroy ajnanam. Let us say, this is what he said. Siddhanti is saying, antya jnanam. Siddhanti here means this Ekadeshi is talking right now. Antya jnanam is also jnana. All of them have jnanatvam. Jnanatvad ajnanadvansi. He said if this jnanam could destroy ajnanam, this jnanam also should be able to destroy ajnanam. Why? Jnanatvad. Jnanatvam is there in all. So all of them also should be able to do. Purva jnaneshu bandha hetu ajnana dvansitva adrishte. But in the purva jnanam, that ajnana dvansa was not seen. Which ajnanam? That ajnanam which is bandha hetu. Bandha hetu ajnana dvansitva is not seen. Then how jnanatva hetu will become the reason for ajnana dvansa? Anaikantikatva is there in this anumanam. Jnanam ajnana dvansi jnanatvat. And between jnana and ajnana alone there is virodha. Whether it is antim jnanam or first jnanam, there is no such thing. Nacha antyam aikya jnanatvat ajnana dvansi iti yuktam. Antyam aikya jnanam will do it. Why? Upantya tadrak jnanavat antya api tad ayogat. Upantya means second last. Upa, whenever they add, means it is slightly less than that. So antya, upantya, like that. Like una, how they say, eka una, huh? Upadha. Upantya tadrak jnanavat. So this is antya jnana, this is upantya jnana. Upantya tadrak jnana is also similar to this jnanam only. If this aham brahmasmi destroyed the ajnanam, this aham brahmasmi also should destroy ajnana. Antyapi tad ayogat. Upantye hetoho anaikantyadi anaikantyat iti abhipretya dushayati. Na. So in the upantya hetu, hetoho anaikant, this aikya jnanatva hetu, jiva brahma aikya jnanatvat, if it has destroyed, then it is there in the second last knowledge also, not only last one. Means it is there in the first one itself. You put it in different way. When I studied Tattva Bodha, I understood I am Brahma. It did not destroy Ajnana. Then I studied Sadhana Panchakam. I understood I am Brahma. Because Brahma, what is that sentence there?
Brahmaikaksharamatiya.
No, not Brahmaikakshara. Dehe ham mati rujyatam na. Brahmasmiti vibhavyatam aharaha garva parityaja. So Brahmasmiti is there also. Sadhana Panchakam हो गया कि नहीं पढ़ा के? Brahmasmi is there also, but it did not destroy Ajna. So then I go on doing, and there it did not destroy. So then how you can say that Antya Jnanam will destroy? If Antya Jnanam could destroy, any other Jnanam could have destroyed. Dushayati na. So this na was there in the Bhashya. Na. Purvavat punaha prasangena anaikantyad. So this na is also within this Ekadashi discussion. What Bhashyakara said. Mukhya mata is coming out in Bhashya from Naisha dosha. Until then, this is Ekadashi. Tika. कृप्त कारणाभावात् तद अंतरेण च उत्पत्तौ अति प्रसंगात् संस्कार अधीनत्वे अपि विशेषाभावात् अन्त्यस्य च ज्ञानस्य अज्ञान ध्वंसित्व असिद्धेः अयुक्तं प्रजापतेः एकत्व दर्शनम् इति उपसंहरति. प्रजापतेः एकत्व दर्शनम् अयुक्तम. He did not attain Brahmatmaikya Jnanam. This is the conclusion by Purva Paksha. Because there were no means, and if he had knowledge, knowledge would have taken place in the previous Janma itself. And if it did not take in previous Janma, how in this Janma, in the absence of all the means, the knowledge will take place like that. Klipta Karana Abhavat. Because whatever is this, Klipta here is Samartha. Samartha Karana Abhavat. Whatever Karana has Samarthyam, ability to destroy Ajnanam, if that Karana is not there, then Tad Antarena cha Utpattau Ati Prasangat. Tad Antarena cha Utpattau Ati Prasangat means Kripta Karana, if it is not there and Jnana Utpatti happened, then anytime Jnanam can happen. Without Karana, if you can do Karyam, then from sand you can produce oil. You don't need Karana there. Ati Prasanga. Sanskar Adhinatve Api. This oil producing from sand, Canada has biggest such reservoir where sand has oil all around. So they wash sand and get the oil. Lot of oil is there like that. This is what I heard. Some process is there. Sanskar adhinatve api vishesha abhavat. Sanskar adhinatve. Vishesha abhavat. There is no vishesha. If you say it is sanskar adhina, nothing new has happened. Then how suddenly ajnana dhvansa can happen? Jnanasya cha ajnana dhvansitva asiddhehe. And this jnana is ajnana dhvansi is not siddham. Therefore, ayuktam prajapatehe ekatva darshanam. Therefore, Prajapati actually did not get jnanam itself. So in Bhashya, the Nigamanam was Tasmad Anarthakam eva ekatva darshanam. That ekatva darshanam did not give moksha. Now, Bhashkar says Naisha doshaha. Means I will answer all your questions about how he can get jnanam if there was no acharya or shastra in this janma, etc., etc. Tika. Prajapatehe supta pratibuddhavat prakrishta adrishta uttha karya karanavatvat पूर्व कल्पीय पद पदार्थ वाक्य स्मरणवतः स्मृति विपरिवर्तिनो वाक्याद् विचार्यमाणात् अदृष्ट सहकृतात् तत्वज्ञानं स्यात् लोके विशिष्ट अदृष्टोत्थ कार्यकरणानां प्रज्ञादि अतिशय दर्शनात् तेन च ज्ञानेन जन्मांतर हेतु अविद्याक्षये अपि आरब्धं कर्म तज्जंच भय अत्यादि अविद्यालेशतो भविष्यति इति परिहरति. नैष दोषः. सिद्धांति, मुख्य सिद्धांति is saying there is no defect. We will explain. प्रजापतेः सुप्त प्रतिबुद्धवत्. Supta Pratibuddha means person who is sleeping when he is awakened. Then what happens? प्रकृष्ट अदृष्टोत्थ कार्यकरणवत्वात्. Sleeping person, when he wakes up, his prarabdha karma is there. Immediately that prarabdha karma kicks in. How did the prarabdha karma come from? From the karmas which he had performed earlier. So you have to, when I explain this line, you have to try to keep in mind Prajapati getting knowledge from previous janma. This drashtanta, that darshtanta, we have to equate. Supta pratibuddhavat, prakrishta adrishta uttha. So for Prajapati, prakrishta adrishta was there, highest of the punya. Tad uttha karyakarana vatvat. Karyakarana, this sanghata that he had, karyakaranavan he is, karyakaranavatvat, पूर्वकल्पीय पद पदार्थ वाक्य स्मरणवतः प्रजापतेः. षष्ठी, Prajapati is the one who remembers pada and padartha of the vakya. Which vakya? Mahavakya. Mahavakya. Pada padartha vakya. Vakya here means Mahavakya. So he remembers Tatpada, Tvampada, Vachyartha, Lakshyartha, all of that from the Purva Kalpa. Means in the previous Kalpa, when he was Yajamana, he has done Vedanta Shravana. And everything was done. And now he has the Smriti. Just like a person who today, let's say he studies something. Something doesn't become clear to him. Then he sleeps. When he wakes up, he will remember what he studied yesterday, and some pratibadha jnanam was there yesterday, but today when he wakes up, suddenly he feels, oh, that thing is clear, whatever was there. Or something he could not memorize previous day, he attempted, then he slept. Then he wakes up and suddenly that shloka or sutra comes first. And he is so happy. Or yesterday, when let's say he had fight with somebody said something. He was so angry. He wanted to say something, no words were coming. In that anger, he slept. Morning, he wakes up and I know what I'm going to say now. With that, his day will start. That also can happen. Smaranavataha smriti. Viparivartino. Vakyad vicharyamanat. He remembers Vakya. Vakyad vicharyamanat. Adrishta sahakritat. And you see, this is there in Panchadashi also, this hetu given. Your other adrishta is also going to help. So we may say, I am working so much now, but so much baggage everybody has different. It's like, sometimes, in some, now we don't wear clothes which can have some pocket, which can have something, money, etc. But like otherwise, in some place, some money was kept and you forgot. You only kept, so it was your karma. Suddenly one day you open and you say, where did this money come from? So that is my adrishta sahakrit, which is helpful now suddenly. Adrishta sahakritat. Tattva jnanam syat. See, tattva jnanam can happen when I have pada padartha vakya smarana, vakya vichara is already done, adrishta sahakar is there, tattva jnanam can happen like supta pratibuddhavat. Loke vishishta adrishtotha karya karananam. And in this world, those who have vishishta adrishta karya karana sangata means those who have extreme punya prajnadi atishaya darshanat. Their prajna is not ordinary prajna. So they have so much punya, anything can happen. Tena cha jnane janmantar he prarabdham or arabdham karma तज्जंच भय अरत्यादि avidyaleshato bhavishyati. So jnanam can take place, and after that jnanam also janmantar hetu avidya kshaya has happened, but some prarabdha is there. Tat prarabdha karma janya bhaya is possible because of avidya lesha, and arati also because of avidya lesha. It can happen. Acharya says it is not necessary that jnanam is there. No bhaya will happen. Prarabdha karma could trigger some bhaya. What is there? That does not mean his jnanam is gone. Naisha dosha, bhashya. उत्कृष्ट हेतुद्भवत्वात् लोकवत्. उत्कृष्ट हेतुद्भवत्वात्. उत्कृष्ट हेतुना उद्भवत्वात्. कस्य? प्रजापति पदस्य. प्रजापति पदम हैज उत्कृष्ट हेतु. यथा पुण्यकर्मोद्भवे, पुण्यकर्म उद्भवैः विविक्तैः कार्यकरणैः संयुक्ते जन्मनि सति प्रज्ञा मेधा स्मृति वैशारद्यम दृष्टम. समथिंग वेरी गुड. पुण्यकर्म उद्भवैः विविक्तैः. दोस हु आर विविक्तैः, 4 नंबर टिप्पणी, विशुद्धैः. दोस हु आर विशुद्ध because of the punya karma. So certain shariras, they are the product of lot of punya karma. In that janma, you see wonderful things they will accomplish. Why? It is punya karma janya sharira. Or samanya sharira could be there. For some time, nobody knows who they are, where they are. When that punya karma udaya starts expressing in prarabdha, then suddenly you will see, they say, no, the stars change. Stars didn't change, punya started. And somebody's stars change means papa karma started, everything starts falling apart. Either way it can happen. And some people, the same story. What was there earlier, now also it is same. How are you? It's okay only. संयुक्ते जन्मनि कार्यकरण, विशेष कार्यकरण संयुक्ते जन्मनि सति प्रज्ञा मेधा स्मृति वैशारद्यम. Prajna Medha is there in everybody. Why you have to mention? Samanya Vyakti, some Prajna is there or not. Smriti is there, Medha is there. So you have to understand Adhikyam. Prajna Medha Smriti Vaisharadyam here means Prajna Medha Smriti Adhik, in excellence you will see. Drishtam. So that is also the result of punya karma. Lot of good punya karma is there, this will happen. And sometimes I can't remember anything. Actually, it is not true. We can remember what we want to remember, right? And what we don't want to remember is where our emphasis is not. That thing we forget. Like some people, they can remember numbers, but they can't remember shlokas. And some people, they will remember all events and incidents. So you tell them, acha, chant some shlokas. Events they will remember. Phone number, they will remember everybody's. That is the use of remembering phone number. Tatha, Prajapati he dharma. So now what does Prajapati has? Dharma, Jnana, Vairagya, Aishwarya, Viparita Hetu, Sarva Papmadahat, Vishuddhaihi Karyakarnaihi, Sanyuktam, Utkrishtam Janma, Tad Udbhavam cha, Anupadishtam eva, Yuktam Ekatva Darshanam Prajapati. Prajapati had Utkrishta, Dharma, Jnana, Vairagya and Aishwarya. And with how did it happen? Tad Viparita Hetu, all the papa was burnt. what was obstructing his dharma jnana. This is a wonderful thing. If such janma is there, then you understand that is your last janma. Sarva papma dahat vishuddhaihi karya karane. This is must. Vishuddha karya karana is required. Shuddhi of sharira, you go on washing with different kind of soaps. Indriya, antakarana, vyavahara, all this shuddhi. And how it is given in Gita, vangmayam tapaha, sharira tapaha, and manaha. All these tapas. That we have to follow. Karyakarane hi sanyuktam. Utkrishtam janma. That janma is utkrishta janma. Tad udbhavam cha ekatva darshanam. From that arises ekatva darshanam. And what is written in between? Tad udbhavam yuktam ekatva darshanam. Which kind of ekatva darshanam? Anupadishtam eva. Nobody gave upadesha and still he got jnana. Anupadishta. Nobody gave upadesha and he got jnana means nobody gave upadesha in this janma. But in the previous janma, he had the upadesha, he had pada jnanam, padartha jnanam, vakyartha jnanam, everything. So, vakyat eva jnanam bhavati. This is niyama. Whether smarana, smarana, shravana, shravana, whatever. But vakyat eva jnanam bhavati. So in this janma, if you see somebody not doing shravanam and still get jnanam, then we say, in previous janma, they have done everything. Now they are on fast track. That's all. In this janma, they may not have put forth that much effort, or we may not know. See, those who can see only one janma and that much effort, they want to analyze everything. They are charvak. They want to analyze everything with this life only. How much effort they have put in the previous janma, other than Bhagavan, nobody knows. So if they are getting some phalam, it is justified. Don't say they are not doing anything and they are getting it. It is not possible. Yuktam ekatva darshanam prajapatehe anupadishtam api. Even if it is not taught in this janma. Let us see Tika now. Sangrihitam artham samarthayate. Atha. Dharmadi chatuштयाद विपरीतम अधर्मादि चतुष्टयम. धर्मादि चतुष्टयाद आदि पदे न
धर्म ज्ञान वैराग्य
धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष.
No. धर्मादि चतुष्टयात आदि पदे न किम. Akarsha, what answer did you give?
Jnana Vairagya Aishwarya.
Don't include dharma there. Adi padena only 3. Jnana Vairagya Aishwarya. Dharmadi Chatushtaya. So here you have to, Tika is, you have to connect the Bhashya. Dharmadi Chatushtayat Viparita. What are the Viparita? Adharma, Ajnana, Avairagya, Anaishwarya. These 4. They are burnt. They are there as the result of Papa. Adharma is there because of Papa. Ajnanam is there because of Papa. Avairagya and Anaishwarya. All of them are there because of Papa. See in the Tika. Adharmadi Chatushtayam. Tatra hetu ho sarvasya papmanaha. Their hetu is Papa only. So in our Shastra,   Shastra, So then I also should understand, if I am dukhi, it is my papa. I have to work on this. That's all. At least not accumulate more. We can't do something of the past, but now not add more. सर्वस्य पापनः ज्ञानादि अतिशयेन नाशात्. ज्ञानादि अतिशयेन. So jnana, second, adina. So you have to understand dharma, vairagya, etc. Jnanadi atishayana means dharma is also there. Dharma he has taken in the beginning itself. Atishayana nasha ditya. Utkrishtatvam, prakrishta jnanadi shalitvam. Utkrishta means prakrishta jnana, prakrishta dharma, prakrishta vairagya, all in great measures. If a person has suddenly what I have heard, Brahma Jnanam, Brahma Vidya, I can get the Jnanam. Ukta Janma Phalam Aha Tad Udbhavam Cha Anupadishtam. Tasya Jnanadi Vaisharadye Pauranikim Smritim Udaharati. Somebody says, how this is possible? He says, there is a Smriti Vakya. Bhashyakar is quoting Smriti. ज्ञानमप्रतिगं यस्य
ज्ञानमप्रतिघं
वैराग्यं च जगत्पतेः
वैराग्यं च जगत्पतेः
ऐश्वर्यं चैव धर्मश्च
ऐश्वर्यं चैव धर्मस्य
सह सिद्धं चतुष्टयम्
सिद्धं च कृत्यम्।
ज्ञानमप्रतिघं
अप्रतिगं यस्य
वैराग्यं च जगत्पतेः ऐश्वर्यं
ऐश्वर्यं चैव धर्मश्च सह सिद्धं च कृत्यम्।
In Mundakopanishad, the first mantra says, Brahma Devanam Prathama Sambhabhuva Vishwasya Karta Bhuvanasya Gopta. So there Brahma is the first person who is the Guru. This is the same Shruti quoted, I mean, there's same Smriti quoted there in Tika. Jnanam Apratigam. Yasya Jnanam Apratigam. So whose Jnanam is not obstructed. Apratibadham. यस्य वैराग्यम च अप्रतिघम यस्य जगत्पतेः यस्य जगत्पतेः ज्ञानम अप्रतिघम यस्य वैराग्यम च अप्रतिघम यस्य ऐश्वर्यम च अप्रतिघम धर्मश्च अप्रतिघम सह सिद्धम चतुष्टयम सह सिद्धम मीन्स he will explain in टीका you see अप्रतिघम अप्रतिबद्धम निरंकुशम इति एतत् प्रत्येकम संबध्यते अप्रतिघम you have to connect with pratyekam with jnanam with vairagya with aishwarya with dharma यस्य एतत् चतुष्टयम सह सिद्धम स निरवर्तते निरवर्तत इति संबंधः सह सिद्धम means जन्मात् सिद्धम when he is born Jnanam, Vairagyam, Aishwaryam, Dharma, all are there from birth. This is called Sahasiddha. Tika. Sahasiddhatva smritehe so abhibhet iti shruti viruddhatvat apramanyam iti virodhadhikarana nyayana shankate. So abhibhet, this shruti, he has bhaya. And you are saying this smriti which says when he is born, he has jnanam. Jnanam is there, bhaya should not be there. So there is a virodha between Shruti and Smriti. Shruti said he has bhaya. Smriti said he has jnanam, which is, if jnanam is there, bhaya should not be there. This is the virodha between Shruti and Smriti. When there is virodha between Shruti and Smriti, then what should happen? Shruti smrityoho paraspara badhe. If this kind of thing happens, then Shruti reva baliyasi. This is the nyaya. Shruti is prabal. Third number tippani. full tippani we don't need to read. Last three lines you see. Virodhe iti. Tatha cha Jaimini Sutram. Everybody found? Third last line. Virodhe tu anapeksham syat asati hi anumanam. This is the sutra. This is the Jaimini Sutra. Virodhe tu anapeksham syat asati hi anumanam. What is the meaning? He himself, Tippanikar gives. Shruti virodhe sati. Smriti pramanyam anapekshitam. If there is a Shruti virodha, Smriti does Shruti virodha, then that Smriti is not pramanika. Smriti is pramanam only if that Smriti has no virodha with Shruti. Shruti virodhe sati Smriti pramanyam anapekshitam. Asati tu tasmin. Asati means asati virodhe tu tasmin Smriti Moola Shruti Anumanam. If there is no Virodha, then based on that Smriti, I will do Anumanam of some Shruti. Some Shruti must be there based on which this Smriti has come. Smriti Moola Shruti Anumanam. In other words, Shruti alone will become Pramana. Shruti Smriti. If Shruti Smriti Virodha is there, Smriti is not Pramanam. Shruti is Pramanam. Shruti Smriti Virodha is not there. From this Smriti, I will do Kalpana or Anumanam of some Shruti. That Shruti is Pramanam, therefore this Smriti is Pramanam. This is Jaimini Maharshiji's Sutra. They are Shruti. What is said in Veda, that is Pramanam. Because in Smriti, then you have Kapil Muni, his Smriti there, Kanada Muni there, his Smriti there, Gautama, everybody has their own Smriti. Then now so many Smriti there. He says Shruti has to be there. If it is Avirodhi, then we will take. Bhashya. Saha siddhatve bhaya anupapattihi iti ched. If it is saha siddham, bhaya should not be there. Nahi adityena saha tama udeti. If aditya is there, if jnanam is there, how can bhaya come? If bhaya has come, that means jnanam is not there. It's just like the sun is there, darkness cannot come. If darkness is there, sun is not there. He will give drashtanta like this only. This is a Purva Paksha. Tika. Sati eva sahaje jnane swahetor bhayam api syat iti che netya. Sati eva sahaje jnana. If sahaj jnanam is there, swahetoho bhayam api syat. Swahetoho bhayam. Swahetu ज्ञान हेतु. स्वस्य भयस्य हेतु अज्ञान. अज्ञान अज्ञानम विच इज दी हेतु. सो स्वपदे न भय. भयस्य हेतु अज्ञान. भयम अपि स्यात् इति चेत् नेत्या. सहज ज्ञान मीन्स जन्मना सहजायते इति सहजम. हाँ? Sahaj does not mean, here Sahaj is not spontaneous. Sahaj here means Janmana Sahajaya. Iti che netyaha nahi. Last sentence. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम ओम शांति शांति शांति।